sweet evening shadows start to come. Listen to the night birds start singing. Now the start of night has just begun. A lonely wood owl cries out in the darkness, or it's meant that's nowhere to be found.
Then the lonesome whippoorwill starts calling.
Their lonely voices fill the night with sound. Hear the church bell ringing in the distance. What a mournful sound so late at night. Wonder why the darkness makes it sound so lonesome. Listen to the lonely sounds of night. The darkness seems to whisper in the silence. Your love is gone, but things will be alright. Still my lonely heart cries with the darkness, listening to the lonely sounds of night. Hear the church bell ringing in the distance. What a mournful sound so late at night. Wonder why the darkness makes it sound so lonesome. Listen to the lonely sounds of night.